Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be looking at how we can contribute data to OpenStreetMaps. So let's start by going to the website openstreetmap.org in your web browser. Make sure you are signed into your OpenStreetMap account. And now let's type in our desired location where we have to add data to. So we are looking at Thomastown, and we can see like there are different types of OpenStreetMap layers. Standard map, where we can see all the basic road networks and the buildings. So we can see some of the area doesn't have buildings in them. And there is like the cycle OSM, where it mainly shows the cycle network data. And another transport map, which mainly shows the bus routes, and a map called humanitarian, which basically shows the amenities and related stuff in that area. So let's check what's the current satellite view of Thomastown in Google Maps, and we can see that the whole area is covered with buildings, but there are only few buildings marked in the OSM map. So let's just edit the OpenStreetMap and add some buildings to it. So OpenStreetMap lets you add different varieties of data, including buildings, street network, cycle path, points like trees, location names like shops, parking area, open grounds, etc. So in this video we will see how we can add buildings and maybe some line data, which may include pedestrian pathways or cycle networks or road networks. So when we click at it, there are like three main options to choose from. One is points, next is line, and the last one is area. So area is basically all the footprint kind of related data, which includes the house type or house footprint. So just click on area and let's start drawing on top of each house roof layout. And when you finish, just click enter, and you can choose different variety of areas to choose from, like land use, building, water bodies, etc. So this is like a building, and under building there are different categories like house. So let's choose a house, and we can add different data to that particular house, so in name, levels, height, etc. So to check your height and level of the building, it's easy to just go to Google Map and go to the street view of that area location and check the buildings, how high they might be and how many levels are there. So let's put the levels as 1 and height as 3.5. and there are options to add the address and other tags to that particular building, but right now we are just going for levels and height. Next, let us see if we can add line data. So the street is mainly a street with bike lanes. So let's just add a line data which shows that there's a bicycle lane going through the street. So just click on line and start drawing over the desired area which you want to show as some kind of data. So I'm just drawing over the bike lanes right now. After you finish drawing, just click enter, and you can choose from the different types of line so we'll choose path, and inside path there are like different options to choose from, and we'll choose cycle path. And you can see there is an error showing up, like the cycle path is crossing Woodley Street. So let's see what's happening there. So either you can ignore the issue or solve the issue if it's necessary. So then here we just click on connect the features, since it's crossing of the streets, so OSM recognizes it as an error. And you can add more data to it, like other tags and related data. And you can like click on the upload icon to upload your data. Before uploading, we'll just complete that 4 rows of house. So I'll just finish up with those other 3 houses. After completing your input, click on the upload icon on the top right corner. Before submitting the data, you can see the changes you have made. So you can see like created houses, cycle paths and stuff. And finally, you will have to add a comment on what kind of change you have done as a brief description, and you can click upload. So after uploading, you can see that the changes we have made has been applied to the map. So this is how we basically contribute data into OpenStreetMaps. Thanks for watching the video.